Declan Davey, copywriter, and we're on to Law 19 of the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing, a quick-fire summary. And Law 19 is the law of failure. Failure is to be expected and should be accepted. That really is the nutshell summary of this chapter. It says that too many companies try to fix things rather than drop things. Executives will often try to say, let's reorganize this to save the situation, rather than admitting a mistake and moving on to a new strategy. It gives an example of Walmart being such a company that enables the company to deal with failure. They take what's called the ready, fire, aim approach, which protects companies from perfectionism. It means that you prepare to an extent and you take your shot. You have your effort, your best effort at trying to succeed, rather than always aiming, always trying to find exactly the right place and ending up getting nowhere. It also talks, interestingly, about the hierarchy within many companies, that there is a failure to take risks because senior executives who have high salaries and a short time to retirement are unlikely to make bold moves that could compromise their retirement and their reputation later on into their careers. It says, interestingly, that nobody has ever been fired for a bold move they didn't make. And this can lead to safeness within companies that can actually be counterproductive. People are too scared to put their necks out and instead try to continue along the same tracks, the same lines, even if some of those are not working and haven't worked for some time. So that is the summary of this chapter, which is the law of failure. Be willing to take risks and be willing to be pretty ruthless. If you notice something isn't working, don't be trying to do it for years and decades. Cut your losses and move on to something else.